Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to design a t-shirt in Canva. Whether you want to create a t-shirt for yourself or your friends, your business or your online store, Canva has everything you need to make it happen. You can choose from thousands of templates, fonts, graphics and colors, or start from scratch and unleash your creativity. By the end of this video, you will be able to design a t-shirt that looks professional and unique. The first thing you need to do is to create a Canva account. You can sign up for free by using your email or your Google account, and once you are logged in, you will see the Canva homepage with different categories of design products. To start designing a t-shirt, click on the t-shirt option under the clothing category. And now click on custom prints, and from here select the t-shirt. Here are some of the templates that you can use. You can select any design that is posted here, or you can make your own just by clicking on create a blank t-shirt. We'll be using this option. Just click on it. This will open up a new page. And here you have a blank canvas for your t-shirt design. And here on the left toolbar, you will see different tabs for templates, elements, text, and uploads. If you want to save some time, you can browse through these templates. For example, if I click on this will open up this t-shirt design. If you want to make some changes, just simply double click on it and write your own text. For example, let's change the text. I'll put design in the middle. Just click on it and copy this text and place it here. I'll do the same with this one. And place it right in the middle. You can see it is that simple. I'm going to select all of these and select them to be in the center. And there you go. You can also change the font just by clicking on it and select the font that you want. We'll be sticking with the previous one. And now once you are happy with your design, it's time to save this. You can simply just click on File and here click on Download. You can select this image to show your customer how your design looks like on a t-shirt, or you can use this PDF print to print your design on a t-shirt. Just click on it, just click on Download. There you have it. And that's how you design a t-shirt in Canva. I hope you find this video helpful and fun. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more graphic design tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments what kind of t-shirt you designed using Canva. I would love to see them. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.